So today we are going to discuss current affairs of 1st August 2021. So first question we have, when is the World Day Against Human Trafficking celebrated? That is B. 30 July. Human Trafficking Day is celebrated on 30 July. Question 2. Recently, Najib Mikati has been elected as the new Prime Minister of which country? Answer is C. Lebanon. Najib Mikati has been selected as the new Prime Minister of Lebanon. Now, question number 3 we have, which city has recently become the only city in the country to be selected for the International Clean Air Catalyst Program? Answer is B. Indore. Indore city is selected for Clean Air Catalyst Program. Okay. Now question number 4. Which state government has decided to give 6,000 rupees per year to the landless farmer? So answer is C. Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh government has decided to give 6,000 rupees per year to the landless farmer. Now question number 5. Which country's former bowler Mike Hendrick has passed away recently? Answer is B. England. Mike Hendrick is from England. Okay. Question number 6. Recently, Ladakh has got what percentage of state in Jammu and Kashmir Bank? Answer is B. 8.23%. Okay. Now question 7 we have, which state cabinet has decided to constitute police commission? Answer is C. Assam. Assam cabinet has decided to constitute police commission. Assam. Answer is C. Assam. Okay. Question number 8. Who won the National Women's Online Chess title? Answer is B. Vantika Agarwal. Vantika Agarwal is the woman who won the National Women's Online Chess title. Answer is B. Vantika Agarwal. Okay. Now question 9 we have, recently Abdullah Shahid of which country won the presidency of 76th UNGA? Answer is C. Maldives. Answer is C. Okay. Question number 10. Who has been appointed as the CEO of India by property consultant Colliers? Answer is B. Ramesh Nair. 11. Which company has tied up with Savitribai Phule, Pune University to train youth? Answer is C. Maruti Suzuki. Maruti Suzuki has tied up with the Savitribai Phule Pune University to train youth. Now question 12 we have, recently a consignment of Raja Mircha has been exported to London from which state? Answer is B. Nagaland. Recently a consignment of Raja Mircha has been exported from Nagaland. Answer is B. Nagaland. Okay. Question number 13. Which state is first to reserve jobs for transgender person? Answer is C. Karnataka. Karnataka is the first state to reserve the job for transgender person. Okay. Now question number 14. Which country has decided to give coronavirus booster shot to its elderly citizens? Answer is B. Israel. Israel is the country has decided to give the coronavirus booster shot to its elderly citizen. Answer is B. Is right. Question number 15. Recently, RBI has imposed monetary penalty of 5 crore on which bank? Answer is C. Axis Bank. Answer is C. Axis Bank. Axis Bank. Recently, RBI has imposed monetary penalty of 5